Good morning guys, and in front of me is POCO F8 Pro, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So at first, unroll the settings, then find and select Fingerprints Face Data and Screen Lock, mark Fingerprint Unlock, and at first you need to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, PIN code or the password. Let me choose pattern. As you can see, just be aware that your screen lock have to be remembered. If you forget it, you will have to erase all data on your device, including photos and contacts, and then set a new one. So it's really important to remember it, then provide the pattern, re-enter it just to confirm, mark confirm, and now it's time to place your fingerprint on the sensor. Just grab your phone as you usually do it and keep tapping. Keep tapping till it's fully added, you will be informed. So just slide. The sensor here is pretty cool. So as you can see, the process is super fast. As only it's done, just mark done. And from now on, you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.